Struggling with stubborn cans? I think we've all been there. You're wrestling with a can. You cut your finger, or you just wish someone else would open it for you. Well, this little device might just blow your mind. Today, I'm testing the King Garden Auto Electric Can Opener, and I have to tell you, this thing is a game changer. So get this. The company says it's 37% faster and 37% quieter than standard openers. What does that actually mean? It means less noise, less effort, and way faster meal prep. Whether you're making dinner for the family, opening a can of pet food, or just grabbing a quick snack, this speeds things up. But here's the part that really sold me. It's a one-touch, completely hands-free operation. You literally just place it on top of the can, press one button, and you can walk away. It automatically rotates 360 degrees, cuts smoothly around the lid, and then you just press the button again to stop it. There's no twisting, no squeezing, no strain at all. This is a massive win for seniors, anyone with arthritis, or honestly, anyone who is just tired of fighting with their kitchen tools. Now let's talk about safety, because this is where it gets really smart. Old school openers create those dangerously sharp edges on the lid and the can. This one? No sharp edges, no mess. It uses a side-cut blade that goes under the rim, so the lid comes off clean, leaving a smooth, safe edge. This is a huge peace of mind upgrade, especially if you have kids in the house. And it's super versatile. It fits almost all can sizes. Soup cans, veggies, pet food. It handles nearly every standard can you've got in your pantry. Just a heads up, it doesn't work with rimless or oddly shaped cans, but for everyday use, it absolutely delivers. It's also compact and easy to store. It runs on 4 AA batteries and fits neatly right in a drawer, so it doesn't take up precious counter space. Small footprint, big payoff. Honestly, this is one of those products that doesn't just feel convenient, it actually improves daily life. Busy parents, campers, or anyone with hand pain will love how simple and reliable this is. It also makes a surprisingly thoughtful gift for housewarmings or holidays. Whether it's for your parents or anyone dealing with arthritis, this is a gift that will get used every single day. My final thoughts? This isn't just another kitchen gadget. It's a real solution to a common, everyday problem. It's faster, quieter, safer, and ridiculously easy to use. Thanks so much for spending part of your day with me. I really hope this video helped you out. If you want to check it out for yourself, I've put a link for you down in the description. I've also picked out another video I think you'll love right over here. Let me know what you think in the comments, and if you enjoyed this, smash that like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.